everyone, we are going to give you a demo of the latest update of the CyberProof CDC platform. We are now updated to version 2.8. So this is the home screen that we all know well. And we're going to take you over here to the alerts page. Okay, a new alert has just been added that we have received. We're going to go into that alert. So with the new 2.8 update, the platform is now going to allow for the grouping of alerts and incidents into categories so that we can better understand exactly what's being inputted into the platform. It's really useful for automations that are triggered based upon the categorization of an alert. Okay, so I'm going to take you down on our general page. In 2.8, alert categorization automatically populates the classification field, which I'm highlighting right here. And it becomes part of the flow from the moment an alert is created. The classification field will be presented under the General tab of the UI, which is this main page right here. Historical alerts will contain an unclassified value, as this is a mandatory field. Not only does this version run an automatic classification of alerts, in our case classified as an email, but in 2.8 our virtual analyst CMO will now also trigger an automated phishing email playbook based on the alert classification, which we see on the right-hand side here. I'm going to take us over here to our playbooks page. The 2.8 update enables the creation of automatic playbooks using Azure Logic Apps technology. Now, analysts can quickly create their own visual playbooks to save and publish. They can choose from basic playbook actions such as assigning an owner, attaching an alert to an incident, and closing an alert when building their playbooks. Now we're going to take a look at the automated CTI landscape report that is new to version 2.8. The report is based on CyberProof feed alerts that are automatically inputted into the CDC, ensuring consistent documentation of CTI alerts and supporting effective communication between security teams by providing proactive intelligence. This report interface includes two different tabs, Summary and Correlation. The Summary dashboard gives an overview of key information about CTI landscape alerts received. Here, for example, I'm going to click on the PowerShell MITRE attack technique, which is a core component of many attack toolkits. Clicking on it will make the dashboard spotlight data related only to PowerShell, giving a dynamic view of related alert types, threat actors, malware and tools, and its distribution over time. This data can support making an informed decision on mitigation tactics, allowing both analysts and the client to prioritize their workload of mitigating new threats. Now, let's move to the Correlation tab. This display provides additional data from our CTI landscape report. If I click here, on this IOC observable, automatically correlated reports pop up. We can see instantly that there are two different SOC alerts that are triggered based on this early CTI alert notification, which widens the scope of what threats can be detected and adds intelligence context. In version 2.8, the CDC query language search now supports auto-suggestions of parameter names from a drop-down list. Auto-suggestions are available for valid collections, fields, and operations when using the QL search. And when refreshing the page or logging out of the CDC, the queries will still be kept. The CyberProof CDC platform provides support to enterprise companies with multiple locations around the world. If I want to look at alerts that are specific to a certain location, I can add a filter that selects specific company divisions, providing a more accurate display of alerts associated with that division. This filter is available for both alert and incident grids. As we can see in this case, which is a malware-related incident, there are 50 alerts associated with it. And within those alerts, we have a large number of observables that are part of the incident. In this update, you can now also filter observables using a multi-type selection. Filtering by multiple observable types provides more accurate information and increases observables visibility. You can also add and remove values from this field. Want to learn more about the new features in this update? Click on the What's New button for the full release notes on CDC version 2.8.